Yo, what's up, guys, and welcome back finally to the last part of my Django Twitter copy series. So, this is the code for the web application I made, and basically, to start, I changed all these class based views to function based views because with function based views, you could work a lot better with what exactly you want the entire code to do rather than using a template that's already built for you. So yeah, I changed everything to function based views. And as you could see, well, that one's simple, but it had a whole bunch of stuff like this. Um, it's a nice 180 lines of code. It's not too bad. It was honestly just complicated because it was my first time writing these sort of function based views. The only thing is this one right here is a class-based view just because it's such a simple it, I just display all the posts or sorry, no, all the users, and that's honestly really it. I am going to change it to a function-based view soon though because I think I might add like followers or something. Like you could follow other people, but for now I'm leaving it at that. As you could see, I added these login required decorators to some of the functions like that. You can't go to that URL if you are not logged in. And down here in the settings, I added so that it redirects you to slash login when you are trying to go to one of those URLs. And then what's this? I know this is important, but I forgot what exactly it is, so I'm just gonna leave it there. Um, or I think I had something else too. Something else that I added in here. Um, nope, that's it. All right, so I have all these templates that we're using, and then here are all the paths. Um, Honestly, there isn't much to look at with the code. Actually, I want to show you guys the database because I changed it. Um, so basically, what we do, um, we have profile. It's not called user. It's called profile, which has a user. It has a user. I'm not sure what this is called. I forgot what it's called. I guess object. Yeah, user object. Uh, and it's a one-to-one field. Um, it's a one-to-one relationship with user, which actually comes from directly from Django, um, the Django authorization models. So like that, we could log in and use um, all the functionality with the built-in user, and then also on top of that, add that user to be linked to our profile, so that um, the profile model will actually have bio, and then hopefully soon it could have following and that sort of stuff. Um, like that, we don't have to create our own authoriza- authorization, and then also so that we don't mess up the user class. Um, so then basically that's interesting because now when we go instead of or now when we go to register to our register page, um, right here we take everything from our form, we have it right here, and what we do, um, we create a user with the username and the password, and then we create or we query that user and use that user to use it as the value for the user object inside of our profile model. I don't know how much sense that made. I hope that made sense, but yeah, there it is. Um, so yeah, it's a little bit complicated with that whole creating a user thing. Um, what else? I think that's kind of it. I forgot to import my models here, so let me just from models port nope profile and post, and real quickly let me just, because I don't remember how to exactly do this, so I'm going to take this old code from over here. Um, hmm, is this the wrong one? That's the wrong one. Who cares? Um, we don't really need to. I'll just search it up real quick. Uh, just real quick. I just want to do this real quick. Um, don't register. Okay. Admin site register profile site register post. There we go. I'm just going to. All right. And now I'm finally done with my project. Yeah, there we go. So now I'm going to run a server. Um, server, and then let's go over here and go to port 8000, and let's see. So this is, hold on, let me log out. This is the base app, right? So if we click create post, well, it'll take us to the login instead, but then we could also browse the posts. This was me messing around. Um, we could see there's a user called name new user, and this is their posts. So let's create a new user. I'm going to create user 191. Um, it's a random password, and then user bio. Let's say, actually, let's leave that empty because I want to show you guys the functionality with that later. So we could submit that, and there we go. So now we could check our profile over here. Oh no, I messed up. Oh, I messed up. That shows all the posts. It's supposed to show only the user's post. So let me just real quickly go fix that, and then I'll be back. All right, so I just went back and I fixed everything. So now, hmm, now I'm getting a different error. Oh, so basically I have this query, and then I just have to make sure that um, if there's nothing, then it doesn't matter. So, sorry. um, oh, I know what to do. Okay. I'm going to just and try, and then accept is equal to, it's an empty list. That, if we get the error, then it'll be nothing and we show no posts. So there we go. So now we can create a post, and we could say hello, this is a new account. Uh, so now it sent us to browse posts, and as you could see, we can't delete new users' posts, but we could delete user 191's posts. And we could, for post and post list, post is not iterable. Ah, I keep messing things up, huh? Hmm. Post is not iterable? Post object is not iterable. Uh, get, sorry, filter. That's why this wasn't working. I think it's filter. I forgot exactly what it is. There we go. So yeah, so now we could see the new user. We can't see the, we can't delete their posts. We can't even update their account. And then right here we have this. So updating accounts. Wow, I that's a lot. No reversed for patterns, dude. Oh, we need an uh this is not going as smoothly as I hoped it would go. Um, where's this? User update. Um, user update. There we go. It's so much simple fixes, but anyway, right here we could update our username and bio. We could also change our password or delete the user. So username, we want to keep it the same. I'm going to try and figure out how to get this to automatically fill in right here, but let's go. One bio, this is my account. So now if we submit that, we can see I think it updated. It's not updating correctly. Um, hmm. Um, I'm so sorry about this. This video is gonna be longer than I thought it was gonna be. User update, bio, so profile, bio, save, redirect. User is equal to user objects. Okay. If user is not, so if we're not the logged in user, then we can't do anything. Nope, these should work. It's just for style reasons. But oh, how to change model um model. Mm, it will not create a new. Yeah, right. Um, I, I think it's supposed to work. Um, and it doesn't work. I'll fix it later. But we could change our password as well. Um, I'm not going to show that because of time and because it's you guys don't even know my password either way. So we could also delete accounts, and right here we could see that cancel. Um, Actually, real quick before we do that, I want to show you how to delete this. Um, it shows you the post that you're about to delete. So yeah, you could cancel or delete it, and then just to show the functionality real quick, I want to show that we could delete our account. Delete it now. We're logged out. If we see here, the user isn't there and the posts aren't there, and yeah, believe that is mostly it. Um, Now I'm going to go fix the rest of this. There's a register page and there's a login page. We could change right here where we're at. Um, I think I'm going to leave it at that though, so that I could go fix everything else, and also so I could create a little demo video. But yeah. Um, so all of this is on my GitHub. It should be on my GitHub. It's a private repository right now, but I'm about to post it publicly. But yeah, there it is. There's my Django application finally done. Um, Next up, I'm going to try and build the same app but with an API, um, using the Django REST API framework. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Um, Subscribe if you want to see that REST API version of all of this. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Actually, I'll post any updates that I do to this on um, on my Instagram, which is, I believe, manual with 2 L's underscore 191. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.